Nearly 25 years ago, during his first visit to Israel, God supernaturally changed Pastor Larry's perspective of the Holy Land and showed him how to reread the scriptures through the eyes of a Jewish Abraham, a Jewish Moses, and a Jewish Jesus. As a result, Pastor Larry, along with his wife Tiz, saw the need to share their love of Israel and the Jewish people with Christian audiences all over the world. As an avid student of the Torah, Pastor Larry has been building lasting relationships with rabbis and other leaders of the Jewish faith, and has authored books helping Christian believers discover the importance of their Jewish roots. This amazing journey has also led Pastors Larry and Tiz to form meaningful partnerships with many charitable projects in Israel. In just the past 5 years, with the help of Christian friends around the world who believe in Tikkun Olam, they have donated over $4.5 million towards saving and improving Jewish lives in Israel. This includes supporting the Bnei Zion Medical Center in Haifa by acquiring emergency medical equipment and funding for the construction of a new underground wing of the hospital. To date, they have provided 6 mobile ICUs to Magen David Adom for making life-saving calls throughout Israel, and have funded the building of 18 bomb shelters at the Ahavat Children's Home in Kiryat Bialik. Larry and Tiz have long supported Holocaust survivors in Ma'ale Adumim, and in recent months have pledged to provide major funding for Holocaust survivors at Yad Ezer Lechaver in Haifa. Their special relationship with Keren HaYesod through Project Aliyah is fulfilling Bible prophecy and is responsible for several thousand Jewish people returning to Israel. Pastor Larry has been honored to serve as an ambassador for Keren HaYesod, speaking at conferences in Singapore and Australia, encouraging the support of Israel by Christian leaders and business people. Pastor Larry's long-standing partnership with the Knesset Christian Allies Caucus and Israel Allies Foundation has been a game-changer in promoting anti-BDS legislation both in America and around the world, in moving the U.S. Embassy to Jerusalem, and by establishing faith-based diplomacy and pro-Israel legislation in nearly 50 nations. His work to tear down walls between Jews and Christians has accomplished many amazing things, but there still is much to do to bring healing, build friendships, and achieve unity between our two great religions. He is honored to be recognized here today with this incredible award, and will continue to promote his love of Israel and the Jewish people until the coming of the Messiah.
A number of things in Israel and for Israeli society that Pastor Larry and Pastor Tiz support, and New Beginnings Church and the entire family, from ambulances to Holocaust survivors and bomb shelters, and through the very close work with Keren HaYesod, which former Chairman Moody really established the relationship, and I'm very grateful for that. And I mentioned I'm very grateful that it wasn't obvious or a given that I would come in as a new chairman and that the relationship would continue and grow, and it certainly has. So I'm grateful for that, for the continuity and the support, especially for Aliyah. And bringing and fulfilling the words of the prophets is something that they believe so deeply in, and they continue their close and really strong support for Aliyah, and really couldn't think of a more deserving awardee for this Lifetime Achievement Award, and we're all excited to hear from you. So please, Pastor Larry, come up here.